Our team creates customized system solutions for your facility. Security, access control systems, video monitoring, and database management. This technology is truly open architecture, open framework, open distribution of systems. We at Ambient Mechanical support a full range of protocols, including LawnWorks, BACnet, Modbus, and many other communication protocols. For all your building's HVAC services and automation solutions, Ambient Mechanical welcomes you to challenge us. We are always on call.